Guys, urgent update! Meron tayong bank foreclosed townhouse dito sa Barangay Navarro, General Trias, Cavite. And bidding na agad ngayong December 9. Kung naghahanap ka ng murang 2-story townhouse sa General Trias, ito na talaga ang chance mo. Inner lot, as is where is. Pero sobrang affordable for a 3-bedroom home. Floor area, 60 square meter. Lot area, 50 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Starting bidding price, 1,642,200. Now listen, here's the sample computation para makita mo kung pasok sa budget mo. Reservation fee, 50,000. 10% down payment. Total DP, 164,220. Less reservation fee na 50,000. Net DP, 114,220. Pwede ito up to 4 months installment. 90% bank loan. Loan amount, 1,477,980. Estimated monthly amortization for 20 years, approximately 11,000 to 12,000 per month, depende on bank interest rate. Imagine, 3-bedroom townhouse sa General Trias for as low as 11,000 plus monthly. Bihira na to ngayon. Pero reminder, as is where is at limited slot, so kung seryoso ka, message us ASAP para ma-assist ka sa bidding. Huwag palampasin, bidding na sa December 9.